Hey everyone, and welcome to the Webtogs gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Cloudultra trail shoe, and this trail shoe packs a punch and is definitely something to consider. Anyway, let's take a look at the key features. So first off, it is at home in all types of terrain, so no matter what you're going to be running on, this will give you the grip, it will give you the performance, and it will give you all the comfort that you need. Now that's just due to a couple of features, which obviously I'm now going to talk about. So it has a wrap fit, or what they also call a flip release technology. So what that means is it gives you a sock-like feel. So once you've done the laces up, and the overall fit and the overall design of this trail shoe has been designed to snug around your foot. Basically meaning it's nice and comfortable, it's nice and reactive to your body temperature, your foot's temperature, but also the terrain that you're going to be walking on. So it's a lot more responsive, which is amazing, which is really, really cool. It features mission grip as well, which enables basically all types of grip and all types of terrain. So no matter what you're going to be running on, whether it's going to be wet ground, dry ground, quite rocky terrain, it's going to give you all the grip that you need, which is fantastic. And working with the mission grip, working with the wrap fit, you also have a 2-layer mesh breathability system. And because of this, it basically means that this is one of the most breathable trail running shoes on the market to date. So that 2-layer mesh enables the air around your foot. So if it's, so say it's a little bit cold that you're running, it's going to keep your foot nice and warm, but also as well, once you get to temperature, you start getting hot and under the collar, should we say, it's going to help wick away that moisture, which is fantastic. Anyway, that's the kind of the key features. Let's take a closer look at the shoe itself. So yeah, it's very lightweight. You can obviously see the Mission Hill technology on the inside there. Basically that enables the sole itself to react to the terrain, but also as well, it's going to help pump. Now what do I mean by pump? It's going to help pump the hot air out, and when you take it off, it's going to suck the cooler air in as well, which is really, really cool. Like I said, it's got the 2-layer mesh system, which is all over the front of the shoe, keeping you nice and cool. But again, it does offer some great protection as well. So depending on the trail that you're running, you've got flat laces on here, which again, as regular viewers will know, I'm super happy about. I think flat laces on trail shoes is definitely a must. Basically means once you've tightened it up, once you've adjusted it to how you need the boot, or should I say the trail shoe to feel, and the lace system how to feel, once you tie it up, it's going to stay done up, which is fantastic. You do have protection, which is a great thing to see on this trail shoe. So what we would say in the hiking world is a rand, but you do have a slight rand on the outside, which does offer protection, but it doesn't interfere with the 2-layer mesh breathability. And as I say, that white paneling goes all around the side there, and it interlinks with a little toe box on the front there again. So if you are running on uneven or rocky terrain, you are protected. What you'll also notice, because of the wrap technology or the wrap fit, this is going to be nice and snug around your ankle as well. Again, it's nice and comfortable, but it means once you kind of lace it in, it's just going to hug around your ankle, giving you the support and the comfort that you need. And again, like I said, it's all about that reactiveness. Anyway, let's take a look at that Mission grip. So it looks very standard, should I say, but it does exactly what it says on the tin. This system basically means, or this grip design means, that no matter what sort of terrain that you're running on, it's going to offer you the grip and the comfort that you need. So you've got grip with various different texture. So if the terrain is a bit slippery, whether that's going to be wet or ice, that textured grip, that textured sole is going to give you all the grip that you need. You have great variancy as well. So it's deeper, the tread is deeper in places, and it's shallower in places. And again, that's in key areas where, depending on your foot position, you're going to be pushing down and obviously getting that grip. So yeah, that's really nice to see. And again, considering it's a trail shoe, it's actually quite solid, but it does offer flexibility as well. And if I just flex it around here, you can see the flex of the sole, the Mission grip. It works nicely with the overall structure and the wrap of the trail shoe as well. Like I said, it's going to be super responsive to the terrain that you're going to be running on. But one, making it comfortable, but then also two, maximizing the grip that you need to obviously get you to where you need to go or where you're running. So who's this for? Well, trail runners, basically. If you're after a nice lightweight pair of trail shoes, this is definitely something to consider. If you're after something that, no matter what sort of terrain that you're going to be running and offers great grip and great variancy, this is definitely something to consider. If you're a trail runner that gets a little bit hot, I mean, like myself, I'm not a trail runner per se, but I get hot on the slopes, and if I have to do a bit of fast-paced hiking, I'm just generally a warm-blooded person. So to have a shoe that has one of the most leading or forward breathabilities in a trail shoe is definitely something to consider. As I said, it's just going to help wick away that moisture, keep your foot cool, and also keeping you comfortable. So again, yeah, if you feel the heat, it's definitely something to consider. Anyway, if you want any more information about the Cloudultra, just head over to our website, webtogs.com, or click on the link that is pinned in the comments below, and you'll be good to go, which is just awesome. And also, whilst you're over there, obviously purchasing or looking at more information about the shoes, you'll notice that we're doing a really cool initiative at the moment, which is place an order, plant a tree. So for every order that is placed on our website, webtogs.com, we are going to be planting a tree, which is a fantastic initiative that we're super happy about over at Webtogs HQ. But what a lot of other people don't realise is that we have one of the most eco-friendly warehouses in the world. I would definitely say top 5 in the world, and definitely number 1 in the UK, and maybe even Europe, which is fantastic. So much so we've got our carbon emissions down by 93.5% as of recording. So when you marry the two up, the place an order, plant a tree, and the low carbon emissions, it does something rather special. So that one tree we're going to be planting based on your order through our website actually eliminates the carbon emissions of 3 other Webtog orders, which is fantastic, which means, yeah, you're reducing your carbon footprint, we're reducing our carbon footprint, and we're helping the world. So it really is a win-win, which is fantastic. But also as well, those 3 orders that have just had their carbon emissions wiped are also going to be planting trees as well. So it really is a massive win-win. Anyway, if you want any more information about that, just head over to our website, webtogs.com. Again, I'm going to pin it down in the comments below. I'm going to stop waffling now. I'm going to let you carry on with your day. Thanks for watching, and happy trails.